architecture, carpentry, woodwork, mathematics, anything that you do that you need to have a pencil. Engravings, great for gifts, and it is an excellent collector's item. This is a pencil kit. It's made of metal, and it is a kit that contains more than one pencil. Great for carpentry, woodworking, architecture, mathematics, and more. Comes in a nice case. What you're going to do is simply open it up. You get in the kit 3 lead pencils that are made of metal in different colors of your choice. This is a green. You have your lead refills and your kits. We'll show you a closer detail of the product. Sitting inside this case, velvet lining, you have your metal pencils. Check online for further detail of the coloring you are after. You have an eraser tip, a clip to hang on your shirt. You have your pen area, and you have your adjustment by pressing in. And each press will show the lead. When you're finished, simply press and push back in to its cradle. From 4 Candles is the product. You have your mech pencil lead refills. And they're in a container that you simply open up. And you get plenty of refills for a long time. This is 1.3 millimeter by 120 millimeter, 12 pieces per, dark, 28, 3 sets. You have 1.5 millimeter by 120 millimeter length, 12 pieces of 2 colors, yellow and red. And you have different eraser heads with the base and erasers themselves. And you have 3 erasers that are individually. Pressing on the tip of the eraser and holding it down allows you to change out your lead. The sample lead is short. We're going to replace with a color lead by opening up and picking a color. Press on the eraser head and slide into the pen's point. Press down to release and you're ready to write again. To change out the eraser head, pull. Grab eraser head and replace. The pencil is very easy to operate, easy to take notes, make a list. It's an easy pen. A pencil for everything. If you're doing carpentry work and you want to draw an angle, if you want to change colors and choose a red instead, and then if you're going to cut, make a different color line like so. It works on wood, it works on paper, anything imaginable. Have a pencil so this way somebody can use it anywhere that you need one. The erasers, it simply takes the words right out just like that. Even on wood. And if you need to use the pencil tip, you can erase your words and erase the lines. Tape measures, make your marks. Pick a color of your choice. All done and you finish making your drawing, hold down, push in, ready to go. Checklists for an artist, for anybody. Store away, use it for another day. Enjoy your pencil set if this is something that you are looking for and after. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for in a metal pencil set.